Everyone, I'm at Walmart here in Canada, and just scored one of the new plesiosaur figures. These are very hard to find. I think they're one per case, and I thought they weren't coming to Canada at first, but since every Walmart I checked did not have them. But no, they are out. They're just a little bit rare, so hopefully you guys up here can track some of these down. They restocked the Savage Strikes here in Langley. They've even got Taro too. A bunch of the new eggs, the new Rex figure as well, and the Spinosaurus is currently on sale. They got quite a lot of them. Same with the Attack Pack figures. There's a lot of galleys and the new Pteranodon, and some of the older Camp Cretaceous Soundstrike figures. So we've got a pretty decent figure assortment here at Walmart. A lot better than in the past, so it's really nice to see that they're picking up with these guys, and hopefully down the line we'll get some of the newer 2021 figures as well. Super excited that we also have this guy. Though I did pick one up before in the past, I'm probably going to grab a few of these eggs and do some unboxing videos of those, so stay tuned for those videos in the future. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.